if they're going for nursing post UTME, like this your question, they come. This kind of thing. See, nursing post UTME question. They say the potential difference. Anytime we see potential difference, we use V represent potential difference equal to the potential difference of an energy source that provides 50 kilo. As I see joule, I know saying for energy. So energy 50 kilojoule. Work, then the major work for waiting. Work done now for waiting. Now joules, maybe the unit of work. So they say now 50. Not be 50 only, 50 milli. If you ignore that milli, it will put you for problems. Now, they can say of energy for every microcoulomb, they don't even give you, they don't want you for this place, microcoulomb of charge. So they don't give you charge already. They say now microcoulomb. So let me say now micro, that's 1 microcoulomb. They just want you here, but they don't go know of charge that flows is dash. Which option are correct? I don't know. Formula we connect these three things now. V equal to W over Q. Wetin be your W? Now 50 times milli. Now waiting 10 to the power of minus 3. I beg 10 to the power of 3 now kilo. Now milli now be 10 to the power of minus 3. Over your charge now 1. 1 times micro now 10 to the power of minus 6. If you don't know that one, now another wahala wey you go get with that. It starts at 1 3Q now. So now, you know say 50 divided by 1 are 50. I don't even see the option already. V now equal to 50. Where I want to get the exact waiting there. I go play around with this one. 50 times 10 to the power. Why I take 10? Because 10, when the base, according to product law, no quotient law of indices, when the base is the same, take one of the base, then you subtract the power. So if I take one of the base, will be 10. How I want to subtract the power? Minus 3 minus, why? Because of division rule, then minus 6. Minus 6. Minus times minus, now plus. Minus 3 plus 6 will give you plus 3. So here come become 50 times 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 na kilo. So it can become, therefore V will equal to 50 kilovolt. Which option is incorrect? It says they will want you. Now why you need to join my class? So I no go fail. July 9 they start to August. No fail to join. If na university they go, question boku. Poly, boku. We go run am for you.